You climb up on the table?
Breadcrumbs.
I want to see you do that. Sitting in the chair.
Oh, you're probably my foot up there. Yes.
I'm going to try to learn how to eat with my toes, too.
Uh-oh. You missed. You let go too soon. Wasn't in your mouth yet. Wait a second.
How do I get it stuck there? How do I get it off?
Oh no. Something terrible has happened.
Maybe my toes can help.
She woke up from her nap today.
Get it yet?
And she was